Kasama natin ang ating MVP of the match, Abby Maranio, with 6 attacks and 1 block. And of course, we also have our F2 Logistics Cargo Movers head coach, Coach Mai Rachina. Coach Mai, very close ang ating first set, pero after yung 2 sets after that, nako, sobrang dominant nyo na. Ano ba yung sinabi mo sa team mo?
Nag-a-adjust pa yung team, parang yung puro kami mabilisan. Parang yung ginawa nila, puro pass, kahit receive, kahit yung sa setting, kaya yun. Pero yun, nagtotone down yung mga bata. Kaya nagawa na nila yung pinag-insayuhan namin.
And Coach, na-mention mo nga na you are a team that is adjusting. Pero ano naman masasabi nyo sa first win ninyo?
Maganda kasi maganda yung pinakita ng mga bata. Kahit ngayon pa lang sila nagsama-sama, nandun pa rin yung kanilang professionalism na maglaro sila as a team.
Thank you, Coach. Abby, alam ko nakakasali mo pa lang dito sa F2 Logistics. Actually, kahapon ka lang daw nag-sign. So ano ba nararamdaman mo na ang ganda ng simula ng inyong season?
Well, definitely, ito rin naman yung in-expect ko with the team na although ngayon lang kami nagsama-sama, we will still be able to play as one cohesive unit. Yun nga kasi katulad na sinabi ni Coach Mai a while ago. Maganda yung performance ng team ngayon kasi as in, lahat kami nagkaisa-isa. Yung skills namin, bawat isa nag-contribute. So it's really the best for the team na nakakakilos kami as one cohesive unit today.
So tingin mo, ano yung natutunan nyo as a team today na ma-apply nyo sa mga future games ninyo?
Definitely, natutunan namin na mag-tone down. Kasi kanina nga, first 2 sets, we were so fast. As in, everyone was fast. Be it with receive, with spike, with set. As in, lahat nagbamadali. Pero yun nga, nagbigay ng instruction si Coach, nakapag-adjust kami ng maayos. Kaya come third set, maganda at naging dominant naman yung performance ng team.
Okay, thank you, Abby. Coach, baka meron kang gustong batiyan?
Sa family ko sa Cebu, sa So Good Cebu, sa husband ko sa Qatar, tsaka yung mga housemates niya, sa lahat ng mga fans ng F2, sa management ng F2 Logistics, si Sir Efren Oy at saka niyang family, kina Erica, kina Ma'am Don na grabe support sa amin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayun, yun na yun.
Thank you, Coach. And of course, Abby.
Well, hi po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa F2 Logistics. Please keep supporting us and sa lahat ng Team Abby. And of course, please visit my cafe, tsaka Abby's Cafe around Medjola. Thank you!